to make a super simple coffee cocktail. The main ingredient for this is going to be our White Russian LifeBoost coffee beans. So what I did is I coarsely ground the White Russian coffee beans, and I placed about a cup of the grounds into a mason jar and used about 6 cups of water, secured that shut, placed it in the refrigerator overnight, and made myself some fresh cold brew that I'm going to use for this coffee cocktail. The White Russian is perfect because I'm going to be using some Kahlua too. So once I have made my cold brew, which I have here, I put some into a smaller jar so that I could use it for the recipe. We are going to use 4 ounces of that cold brew that I'm gonna pour right into my measuring cup. So about a half a cup. And remember, that's a concentrated coffee, so it's going to be very strong. So good. And that was, again, I just ground the coffee beans coarsely. I put them into I did a 1:5, 1:6 ratio. I kind of mix it up sometimes. Let that brew overnight in the refrigerator, strained that through, took that concentrated coffee, and that is what I'm using for the recipe. I now have 2 ounces of homemade Kahlua in here. If you need that recipe, you can also find that under our blogs post to make your own homemade Kahlua. I'm gonna add that to my cold brew. And then I'm gonna use this shot glass to also measure out 2 ounces of cream. You can use heavy cream, non-dairy cream. I'm using a sweet cream. So we'll do 2 ounces of that as well. Dump that in here. And then I also already have some frozen coffee ice cubes that I made in advance. These are just a French vanilla coffee that I poured into my ice cube trays to freeze. You can use any flavor that you wish. Now I'm gonna pour a little bit over those ice cubes and have a nice, refreshing, delicious coffee cocktail.